In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling to tap on Sound and Vibration. Now scroll to tap on this section here, called Vibration and Haptics. You can enable or disable it thanks to this switcher right next to Use Vibration and Haptics. If you decided to enable it, use those switches first next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually, and second next to Vibrate for answered calls. You can also adjust intensity of vibrations by operating all of those sliders: ring vibration, notification, alarm, touch feedback, and media. Once you finished adjusting all of those, go back and use those two switches. This next to Always Show icon when in vibrate mode to manage it. And last but not least, this one next to Charging Sounds and Vibration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!